Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from VT Markets. First, open the VT Markets official website or launch the mobile app. Now, log into your trading account using your registered email and password. Then, navigate to your dashboard once logged in. After that, click on the Funds or Withdraw option from the menu. Here, select the trading account you wish to withdraw from. Choose a withdrawal method such as bank transfer, e-wallet, or crypto. Enter the withdrawal amount you want to transfer. Next, fill in your bank or wallet details carefully. Ensure your KYC verification is complete. Review all details to avoid errors or delays. Now, click Submit to send your withdrawal request. Lastly, wait for 1 to 3 business days for your funds to arrive, depending on your chosen method. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.